When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to entrap our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? How string it was, how sweet and strange. There was never dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met in a Nightingale song in Berkeley Square. This heart of mine beat loud and fast like a merry-go-round in a fair, for we were dancing cheek to cheek in a Nightingale song in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to entrap our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the top dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away in a Nightingale song in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? The streets of town we are paved with the stars. Is that such a romantic affair? And as we kissed and said goodnight, when a Nightingale sung in Berkeley Square. I know 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley Square.